Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this week's video. Zebra to me means zebra striped in a more print fun way than anything else. It's not just zebra inspired where you're just like black and white. We are doing the stripes today. So without further ado, let's do this makeup look. First thing I want to say is that my lip combo is a Primark lip liner in the shade pink and it looks like this. And then I have a Technic lipstick that looks like this. It's also pink, but they don't have shade names, so I just have to show you the shade. I think the best way to do this is the dramatic way. It's just the way it is. So the first thing that I will go in with is the white. That makes sense, right? And I want to focus this on the upper part of my lid. I think if I bring it down, it will be too busy, too much. So I'm just going to keep it as like a print on top of my eyelids. And to do the white, I don't have a white eyeshadow that is intense enough, so I have to go in with my eyeliner. So I have the Catrice Kohl Kajal Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade 020 Tweed White. That looks like this. And I guess I just have to draw on the white the best I can do. I think that is kind of cool, actually. It turned out a little bit better than I thought it would, because if this had just been a powdered eyeshadow, I don't think I could get it this intense. And I needed this intense. It's artist creative makeup today. Then we want to go in with the black. And I do usually use a liquid black eyeliner, but not for today because I want the textures to match. And so I will go in with a pencil. I will see which one I like the best. So the eyeliner that I have that is pencil that will work for this is Technic Eyeliner Pencil. And this is the same brand as the lipstick. So it looks like this. And for this, I do recommend using one that you can sharpen so that you can get a sharper points and get more detailed. You don't make as much of a mess, you don't make that many mistakes, and if you do, you can sharpen it when it gets dull. Now zebra print is like tiger but in black and white. That's how accurate I would say it is. So to get the pattern, you want to seem intentional but random. And they're not straight line, they need to be a little crooked, they need to be softness to them, natural movements. Anything in nature has a natural curve to it, a natural movement to it. It doesn't have a straight line. If it is a straight line, then that is what's natural. It seems natural. If I were to just draw a straight line like this, it would not look natural. So you need to make sure that the movement is natural and the lines go from thick to thin to thick and thin. Like, make sure that you play with the sizes of the lines as well. So I will see how good I can do this. And I don't want them to match because they're zebra. Zebra doesn't match. It's like fingerprints. You might think that the lines are a little bold, but zebra stripes are bold, okay? They're supposed to be like this. So the next thing that I will do is put on mascara. So before I do that, I will curl my lashes. Then I'm taking the Maybelline The Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I'm putting this on my upper lashes only. Now, I don't want to put false lashes on because I want the eyeshadow to speak for itself, but I do want to intensify the lash line a little bit. So to do that, I'm taking a eyeliner, a different one from before. This one is a twist up eyeliner. I prefer this because it can mold to your waterline and makes it easier, so you don't have to sharpen and then you have to reshape the tip. This is already shaped to you. And I just want to put this in the upper waterline, but in the outer corner, about halfway in, and that's about it. Then I just want to pop some eyeliner. Then I want to put some highlighter on, and I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Take a Breather in the white. And I'm taking a big fluffy brush for the larger areas of my face, a eyeshadow brush for my cupid's bow, my nose, and my eyebrow bone. And then a little small detail brush for the inner corner of my eye. Then the last thing that I will put on is some setting spray, and I'm taking the W7, the Vitamin C Fixer that looks like this, and just spraying my face. And here you have it, a zebra print eyeshadow design. I think it's fun and creative, and definitely something that is different and bold. If you would want to wear this for every day, that is completely up to you and your personality. But I think it's fun and bold, and I think you shouldn't be afraid of making the lines thick, because if you do look at a zebra, the lines are not that very thin, okay? The white and the black, it kind of makes sense, the thickness and the difference and whatnot. And don't be afraid of putting different shapes on each eye. Do not be afraid of that, because two zebras are not the same. That is all I have for you today. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much, every single one of you, the subscribers, the likes, the comments, the viewers. Thank you so much for being here with me. I appreciate you so much, and I love coming on here with you guys, sharing makeup and my life and whatnot it may be. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.